Are you desiring to be ISO 27001 certified to increase revenue or demonstrate to your clients that you are safe to work with? ISO 27001 certification is your key to achieving this level of security. It's not just a badge, it's a testament to your commitment to safeguarding information. Being ISO 27001 certified elevates your organization's credibility. Clients and partners trust you more, knowing you adhere to the highest standards of information security. It's a competitive edge that sets you apart in today's digital landscape. The ISO 27001 audit process is a two-phase journey. In Phase 1, we review your documentation, identifying gaps and areas for improvement. This sets the stage for a successful audit, but also increases the competitive nature of your business. Phase 1 is all about preparation. We meticulously review your documentation, pinpointing any gaps. This step is crucial as it lays the groundwork for a seamless audit process. Identifying areas for improvement early on ensures you're well prepared for the on-site audit. It's about building a strong foundation for your company, paving the way for certification success. Phase 2 is where the action happens. On-site audits involve interviews and evidence collection, ensuring your information security management system, or ISMS, is effectively implemented. It's a thorough check to guarantee compliance and security. During Phase 2, the auditors conduct on-site audits, but could also be fully remote based on the type of company being audited, engaging with your team through interviews. We gather evidence to verify the implementation of your ISMS, ensuring it meets ISO 27001 standards. This phase is where theory meets practice. We ensure that your security measures are not just on paper, but actively protecting your organization. It's the final step towards achieving certification. With over 25 years of expertise, Arrakis Consulting is your trusted partner in cybersecurity. Our tailored approach ensures your unique needs are met, guiding you seamlessly through the ISO 27001 audit process. Our success stories speak for themselves. Clients who chose Arrakis achieved certification with less effort, gaining a competitive edge in their industries. ISO 27001 certification offers unparalleled benefits, from enhanced security to increased trust. Let us help you achieve the same success. Are you ready to secure your organization's future? Contact Arrakis Consulting today and embark on your journey towards ISO 27001 certification. Together, we'll build a fortress of security around your data,